In the heart of a lush green jungle lived 4 friends: Pip the rabbit, Squeaky the rat, Trunk the elephant, and Barnaby the bear. They loved to trade things they found. Pip had crisp carrots, Squeaky had sweet berries, Trunk had giant leaves, and Barnaby had sticky honey. One day, Pip wanted some of Barnaby's honey. "I'll trade you my carrots," she said. But Barnaby didn't want carrots. He had plenty. Squeaky wanted a big leaf from Trunk, but Trunk didn't need any more berries. It was so hard to find a fair trade. The king of the jungle, a wise and mighty lion, saw their problem. "We need something everyone agrees has value," he roared. He showed them shiny round coins made from special jungle stones. "You can trade your goods for these and then use the coins to buy what you want." Soon, the friends had so many coins that their pockets and pouches were heavy and clinky. Trunk the elephant's pockets were especially full, and he had to carry a big, heavy bag just for his coins. It was a lot of work. The king of the jungle saw their problem again. "We need something lighter," he said. He introduced paper money made from special, strong tree bark. It was much lighter and easier to carry than a heavy bag of coins. The friends loved using the paper money. They could carry just a few notes and buy everything they needed. Pip bought a new basket for her carrots, and Barnaby bought a big, comfy pillow for his naps. A clever monkey named Kiko saw how they carried their new paper money. "You need a special place to keep it safe," he chattered. He showed them a clever invention, a wallet. It was a small pouch to keep their paper money neat and tidy. Years passed, and the jungle became a very busy place. Now, instead of coins or paper, the friends used digital money. It was just numbers on a screen, but it was still real. They could trade with a tap, without carrying anything at all. The friends realized that no matter what form it took, carrots, honey, coins, paper, or numbers on a screen, money was just a way to make trading fair and easy for everyone. And the most important thing of all was their friendship, which was more valuable than all the money in the world.